Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to easily convert your 2K videos to 1080p. If you have high-resolution 2K footage that you need in a more universally compatible 1080p format, you're in the right place. Here we go. First, make sure you have WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro installed on your computer. This tool is an all-in-one solution for simple video processing. I'll leave a link in the description below. Once you run the program, choose the Converter option. Click the Add Files button or simply drag and drop your 2K video files into the main window. See how easy that is? The software supports a wide range of video formats, so you won't have any trouble getting started. On the right-hand side, you'll see a big format image. Click on it to expand a full list of output formats. Go to the Video category and select your preferred option. Here I choose the MP4. Here's the point, the program offers two easy ways to downscale 2K resolution to 1080p. A quick solution is just to go to the Quick Setting section and move the pointer to 1080p. Alternatively, click on the Parameter Settings and manually select 1920 by 1080 in the drop-down menu. You can also customize the encoder, bitrate, frame rate, and more based on your needs. Now, pick your output folder and hit the big Run button. The software works lightning fast thanks to GPU acceleration. Once complete, check out the results. The 1080p version is smaller, compatible with any device, and looks just as sharp. Perfect for uploading to YouTube, sharing on social media, or saving storage space. That's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more video tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, see you next time.